Hello everyone, this is Mamta Mund and today we will solve some questions on negative numbers and integers. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. And please visit my blog MathsGrade.com for more information regarding the textbook solutions of CBSE, ICSE and other state boards. Let's get started and solve some questions, and if you like this video then please click the like button. Now question number 7. The sum of two integers is minus 242. If one of them is 46, find the other integer. It is given that sum of two integers is minus 242. One integer is 46 and second 46 plus second integer is equal to minus 242. Sum of two integers is minus 242. So other integer will be, that is second integer will be minus 242 minus 46. Both are negative integers, so we add the integers without sign, that is 242 plus 46 is 288, and both are negative sign, just put the minus sign before the integer, minus 288. Now the answer is minus 288. So the other integer is minus 288. So other integer is minus 288. Now question number 8. Simplify. Minus 90 plus minus 8 minus 2 plus 21 plus minus 30. First we add all the negative integers. Minus 90. First arrange the negative integers one side. That is minus 90, then minus 8, minus 2 and minus 30. 21 is only one positive integer. Now all these integers are negative integers, so when we add the integers with equal sign, then just add the integers without sign, that is 90 plus 8 is 98, 98 plus 2 is 100, 100 plus 30 is 130, and all these four integers are negative integers, just put the sign of minus sign before the integer 130. Now it is minus 130. Now add 21, minus 130 plus 21. Now these two integers are of different sign. When we add two integers which are of different sign, just subtract the smaller integer from the bigger integer. Here 130 is bigger integer and 21 is some smaller integer. Now subtract 130 minus 121. Now this is 109. 30 minus 21 is 9 and this is 100. And put the sign of the bigger integer. Here bigger integer is 130, which is negative sign, so just put the sign minus sign before the integer 109. Now answer is minus 109. So minus 90 plus minus 8 plus minus 2 plus 21 plus minus 30 is equal to minus 109. Now question number 9. Write all the odd integers between minus 13 and 6 in descending order. Between minus 13 and 6. First draw the number line. This is middle one is 0, and starting from 0 to the left hand side all are negative integer. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10, minus 11, minus 12, this is minus 13. Minus 13 and 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. odd integers between minus 13 and 6. Minus 12 even, minus 11, then minus 9, minus 7. Odd integers are integers which are not divisible by 2. So minus 9, minus 7, minus 5, minus 4, minus 5, then minus 3, minus 1, 1, 3, 5. These are the odd integers between minus 13 and 6. And write the odd integers in descending order. Descending means biggest to the smallest integer. This is biggest integer 5, 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3, minus 5, minus 7, minus 9, minus 11. So descending integers, descending order, the integers in descending orders are 5, 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3, minus 5, minus 7, minus 9, minus 11. These are the odd integers written in descending order. These are the odd integers 5, 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3, minus 5, minus 7, minus 9 and minus 11. These are in descending order. Biggest to the smallest integer. 5 is the biggest integer and minus 11 is the smallest integer. Now question number 10. Find the absolute value of the sum of minus 463 and 128. Minus 463 plus 128. Sum of minus 463 and 128. When we add two integers which are of different sign, just subtract the smaller integer from the bigger integer. Here bigger integer is 463 and smaller integer is 128. Subtract these integers. 13 minus 8 is 5. This is 5 minus 2, 3. 4 minus 1, 3. 335. And put the sign of the bigger integer. And bigger integer is 463, which is negative integer. Negative sign. So put the minus sign before the integer 335. Now the answer is minus 335. So absolute value of the sum of minus 463 and 128. The sum of minus 463 and 128 is minus 335. Now absolute value of minus 335 is minus 335. Absolute value, that is minus of minus 335, which is positive 335. Absolute value of negative integer is positive integer and absolute value of positive integer is always positive integer. So absolute value of minus 335 is 335, positive 335. Now question number 11. Find 32 plus minus 25 plus 8 plus minus 63 plus 12. Now add all the positive integer separately and add all the negative integers separately. Here 32 is positive integer, 8 positive integer and 12 is positive integer. And minus 25 and minus 63, these are negative integers. Now 32 plus 8 is 40, 40 plus 12 is 52. And minus 25 and minus 63, both are negative integer. When we add two integers are of equal sign, then just add the two integers without sign, that is 25 and 63. 5 plus 3 is 8 and 2 plus 6 is 8. And both are negative integers, so put the sign of negative in negative sign, that is minus 88. Now 52 plus minus 88. When we add two integers which are of different sign, then subtract the smaller integer from the bigger integer. Here bigger integer is 88 and smaller integer is 52. Now subtract these integers. 8 minus 2 is 6, 8 minus 5 is 3. Now this is 36 and 88, which is positive 88 in, and put the sign of the bigger integer. Here bigger integer is 88, which is negative integer. So put the sign of the bigger integer, that is negative sign, that is minus 3 and minus 36. So 32 plus minus 25 plus 8 plus minus 63 plus 12 is minus 36. So answer is minus 36. Now question number 12. If q multiplied with r is q minus of minus r plus 6. This is the equation given. Then find minus 18 multiplied with minus 18 star 4. So here q value of q is minus 18, q is minus 18 and r is 4. So put the value of q and r in q minus of minus r plus 6. So q minus of minus r plus 6 is q is minus 18 minus of minus r plus 6 minus r is 4 plus 6 minus 18 minus of minus 4 and 6 are opposite sign. When we add two integers are of different sign, then just subtract the smaller integer from the bigger integer, that is 6 minus 4 is 2 and bigger integer is 6, which is positive sign. So put the sign of positive in, put the sign of the bigger integer, that is plus sign, plus 2. Now minus 18 minus of plus is minus 2. Now minus 18 and minus 2. When we add two integers of equal sign, then add the two integers without sign, that is 18 and 2. 18 and 2, addition of 18 and 2 is 18 plus 2 is 20, and both are of negative sign, negative integer. So put the sign of negative integer, that is minus sign before the integer 20. Now answer is minus 20. So minus 18 multiplied with 4 is minus 20. So minus 18 multiplied with 4 is minus 20. Now second bit, 6 multiplied with 9. Here we have to put the value of q is 6 and r is 9. Q is 6 and r is 9. Now q minus of minus r plus 6 will be q is 6 minus of minus r is 9 plus 6. 6 minus of minus 9 and 6 both are of different sign. So when we add two integers which are of different sign, then just subtract the smaller integer from the bigger integer, that is 9 minus 6 is 3, and put the sign of the bigger integer. Here bigger integer is 9, which is negative sign. So just put the sign of bigger integer, that is minus sign before the integer 3. Now it is minus 3. Minus 9 plus 6 is minus 3. Now 6 minus of minus 3, and minus multiplied with minus is plus. So 6 plus of 3. Here both 6 and 3 are positive integer. When we add two integers which are of equal sign, then just add the two integers without sign, that is 6 plus 3 is 9, and both are positive integer. So it is plus 9, that is 9. So 6 plus 3 is 9. Now 6 multiplied with 9 is 9. So value of 6 is asterisk 9, which is the which is 6 minus of minus 9 plus 6. This is the equation. Q star r is q minus of minus r plus 6. So 6 star 9 is 9. So value of 6 star 9 is 9. Now question number 13. Write the following integers in ascending order, that is from smallest to the biggest integer, biggest order. So minus the integers are minus 8, 25, minus 39, 9, 0, minus 5. So smallest integer, the smaller integer negative sign with bigger number with negative sign is the smallest integer. So here 39 is bigger number, but it is negative sign. So minus 39 is the smallest integer. So minus 39 is smallest integer. Then after 39, the smallest integer is minus 8. 8 is bigger number, but it is minus sign, so it is minus 8 is the smallest integer after minus 39. Then minus 8, minus 5. 5 is bigger number, but it is minus sign, so it is smallest integer. Then 0. After minus 5, then 0, then 9. 9 is the smallest integer, positive integer. Then 25 is the biggest integer, biggest positive integer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the integers in ascending order are minus 39, minus 8, minus 5, 0, 9 and 25. This is the order of ascending order of the integers, that is in smallest to the biggest integer. So minus 39 is the smallest integer and 25 is the largest integer. Now question number second bit. 22, the integers are 22, minus 16, 96, minus 1, minus 42, minus 92, 100. Write the following integers in ascending order. So when we compare, that is when we arrange the integers in ascending order, that is smallest to the biggest integer, the bigger integer with negative sign is the smallest integer. So here bigger integer is 92, but it is with negative sign. So minus 92 is the smallest integer. Then after 92, 42. 42 is the bigger number, but it is minus sign, so it is smallest integer. Then minus 16. Then minus 1. After minus 1, positive integer 22 is the positive integer, smallest positive integer. Then 96, smallest positive integer. Then 100 is the biggest or the largest positive integer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these are the arrangement of integers in ascending order, that is smallest to the biggest integers. So minus 92 is the smallest integer and 100 is the biggest integer. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.